There was a time when I had no idea where my money went. I worked hard, but I always felt broke. And worse, I was afraid to look at my bank account, not because I didn't earn enough, but because I had no plan. That was the moment I realized, if I didn't take control of my money would continue to control me. So I made a choice to stop drifting financially and take my money seriously. I didn't do anything extreme. No expensive courses, no financial degree. Just a few simple steps that changed everything. The first thing I did was brutally honest. I tracked my spending. Every cup of coffee, every subscription, every impulse buy. In just 1 month, I saw the leaks in my wallet. That awareness? It was a game changer. I didn't want a complicated spreadsheet, so I made it simple. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt. Suddenly, I wasn't guessing anymore. I had a structure. Instead of saving what was left over, I saved first, automatically, every month. Even small amounts added up. I wasn't just working for money anymore. My money was starting to work for me. I realized I was spending on things that didn't bring me happiness. So I cut them out. Not everything, just the stuff that didn't matter. And you know what? It felt empowering. Cutting expenses helped, but increasing income, that was next level. I started with what I had, skills, time, and a willingness to try. That extra income helped me build savings faster and pay off debt. And over time, money stopped being a source of stress. It became a tool to build freedom, to sleep better, to make better choices. It didn't happen overnight, but it started with one decision, to take control. And if I can do it, so can you. This is Moneytraq, where every dollar counts. Subscribe for simple, powerful lessons on saving, budgeting, earning, and growing. Your journey to financial freedom starts here. Thank you for watching. Let's meet with the next video.